Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the LXun upgraded DPS-600EM-00, a 600W power supply designed as a compatible replacement for various Dell systems, including the Inspiron 3650, 3656, Optiplex 3040, 5040, 7040, and even the XPS 8940. If you're dealing with a failing power supply or simply need more juice for upgrades, this could be a solid option. The LXun DPS-600EM-00 aims to be a drop-in replacement for a range of Dell power supply models, such as the HU240EM-00, AC240EM-00, and L1 ADES-00, among others. Compatibility is key here, and LXun has provided an extensive list of compatible part numbers and model numbers. It's crucial to double-check that your original power supply matches one of these listed models before purchasing. Even if your computer model is listed, a visual confirmation is highly recommended to ensure a perfect fit. This power supply boasts a 600W output, which is a significant upgrade over some of the lower wattage power supplies that may have come standard in these Dell systems. This extra power could be particularly beneficial if you're planning to install a dedicated graphics card or other power-hungry components. In terms of connectors, the LXun DPS-600EM-00 includes an 8-pin motherboard interface, a 4-pin CPU power interface, an 6+2-pin graphics card power interface, and an additional 8-pin interface. This array of connectors should provide ample connectivity for most compatible systems, especially those being upgraded with a discrete GPU. LXun offers a 1-year warranty, which provides some peace of mind. It indicates that they stand behind the quality of their product. It's always reassuring to know that you're covered in case of any manufacturing defects. One thing to keep in mind is that while this power supply is designed to be compatible, it's essential to verify that the picture of the product matches your existing power supply. This is not a universal power supply for all Dell systems, so careful verification is key. Overall, the LXun upgraded DPS-600EM-00 appears to be a viable option for those needing to replace or upgrade their Dell power supply. The 600W output, comprehensive compatibility list, and included connectors make it a potentially worthwhile upgrade, especially if you're looking to enhance your system's graphics capabilities. Just remember to double-check those part numbers and images before you buy.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.